Hi. Hi. So, it's raining. There is no electricity, no water because no electricity. And I am sitting in this humidity and having a conversation with you. मैं और मेरा दोस्त बात कर रहे थे कि कुछ नए अंदाज से टैरो दिखाया जाए, टैरो किया जाए. सो टुडे लेट्स से फॉर पीपल, जब बारिश होती है, व्हेन इट रेन्स, कैसा महसूस होता है? वाओ, राइट? बट ओनली व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग इन द कंफर्ट ऑफ योर होम and you have electricity and the amenities that you need. Like even my glasses are fogging up right now. So, and then there are some people like me जो बैठे हैं अपने घर में, बिजली नहीं है, पानी नहीं है, और क्या करें? तो आपसे बातें करें. So, two scenarios. One is when you are sitting in the comfort of your home and able to enjoy watching the rain, and the other when your basic amenities are not functioning. What do you do, right? So, pulling two cards, sitting in the comfort of your zone and enjoying, and the second, when things are going the way they are and it's causing you trouble. So, two cards for today. And I would like you to know that when we are not being able to enjoy, or let's say circumstances and situations are such that we are not able to enjoy what is going around, whether that is rain, which can be very romantic as well. So, what do you do? Right? Eight of Pentacles. Pentacles being the suit of health, prosperity, building, organization, matter, tangible, anything to do with what can be felt. So, here, when you look at the card, you see this man, he is looking at the crop that he has done the work for and now waiting for the crop to give fruit, right? So, this scenario where you are in discomfort, this card says you have done what you could have. Now just wait. Have faith in the universe. Trust the process of the universe. So, the ones who are feeling helpless, remember this shall pass. This too shall pass. Now, for the people who are sitting in the comfort and enjoy, what does the card say? Again, a pentacles. Okay, this is three of pentacles, and there is a young boy, young person standing on a bench, and there are two people who are standing on the ground who seem to be elder than him, and they are listening to what he has to say. So, this card is telling you that you might have things that you want to share, and it is time for you to do that. Start sharing. You may be in the process of giving sermons, or let's say becoming a facilitator, or people, you've gained enough knowledge and you now need to use that knowledge to share it with the world. So go ahead and do that, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.